This week we're going to highlight the latest crop condition ratings from the USDA, as well as highlight corn silking progress. We're also going to take a look at updated weather trends and wrap things up with a look at long-term trends in December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved into the month of July here, and we're looking at an exceptionally, if not historically, volatile corn market. Let's start out this week looking at the updated crop condition ratings from the USDA. The USDA came out this week and showed that the good to excellent ratings for corn improved another 2 percentage points to 57%. All those states in green represent improvement from last week, some significant improvement in some cases, 7% higher, for example, in Indiana. The states in red represent a decline in conditions, and that includes Minnesota, North Dakota, Kansas, and Colorado. I would note, however, that we're still looking at condition ratings below last year's 64%. Let's now take a look at the crop condition index, the history of the index. I left 2012 on there this week because notice how it had been closely trending with 2023 until the last 3 weeks, when 2023 stabilized and then improved each of the last 2 weeks. I would note, though, however, that 2023 is still below most of the recent years. Let's now take a look at corn progress here, specifically corn silking. As of Sunday, we're looking at 47%. Nearly half of the corn across the U.S. is pollinating. Over the next 2 weeks, between now and July 30th, another 39% on average pollinates. So on average, between now and the end of the month, we could be looking at close to 85 to 90% of the corn has been pollinated. That's what makes weather very critical. Speaking of weather, let's take a look at the short-term forecast. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here focusing on temperatures, and temperatures is an important part of that corn pollination period. Cooler temperatures here. All that area in the light blue is going to be cooler than normal through this weekend, 2 to 4 degrees below normal. How about precip? Precip through the weekend here, looks like there's a lot on the map, but that light green area is very light, only about 1/10 to 4/10 of an inch. The heavier green is 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, and that isolated blue circle is 1 to 2 inches. And actually some of that area in the upper Midwest may not see any rain at all. So while it looks like there's some precip coming, it looks like generally light totals. Pattern change coming for next week, and this caught the market's attention on Tuesday. Looking at that heat, which I'm sure you've seen on the news here recently from the southwest, is changing and moving up further north and east here. All that area in red is much above normal temperatures. As we move further east, some of that area lightens up a bit, but still above normal. And far, far east, where not much corn is produced, will be near normal. How about precip totals for next week, July 24th to the 31st? Not much rain at all in the west. As we move further east, it looks like there is some rain, but only about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain. Let's quantify precip over the next 2 weeks. And we're looking at a map here that's colored, if you will, with quite a bit of red, which means very dry conditions over the next 2 weeks during pollination. How much of this corn gets pollinated before that heat arrives will be a very important question the market grapples with. Let's wrap things up this week looking at long-term trends in December corn futures. Now, December corn, as we tape here on Tuesday, is trading near $5.35 a bushel. This market is historically volatile at the moment. We strongly encourage you to avoid price prediction and instead work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement and defend your balance sheet. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants and be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.